Hello and welcome. It's Declan here with another video. And today I'm just going to talk about Netflix stock and how it's done since its recent earnings report. At the moment, it's trading at $323.84. As you can see, I have the live charts opened here. So I'll just go into an article which details how Netflix Q1 2023 earnings have gone. So Netflix reported its earnings for the first time without former co-CEO Reed Hastings. Yeah, and I said in one of the other videos that he has stepped down recently. So they started the year by adding 1.75 million subscribers, bringing up the total number of global subscribers to 232.5 million. Yeah, that's impressive because they were losing subscribers previously. The subscriber growth represented a 4.9% year-over-year increase compared to the disastrous first quarter of 2022, which I said, yeah, they had a pretty disastrous quarter in 2022 when the streamer lost subscribers and set off a domino effect of sorts for other media companies that had up until that point gone all in on streaming. Yeah, so it kind of backfired a bit. That's what that's saying. So compared to each quarter, the 232.5 million total subscribers number for Q1 is a modest increase compared to Q4. The streaming giant closed out 2022 with a total of 230.75 million global subscribers, representing an addition of 7.66 million subscribers during the fourth quarter after a year that saw the company lose upwards of 970,000 subscribers. Yeah, that was a massive loss at one point and face a major stock price plummet. Yeah. And at its peak in around 2021, Netflix was trading up around the $680 mark, and now it's trading at what's 323, as I said. So yeah, that's quite a decrease now in the last 2 years or so. But thanks in part to a better than expected fourth quarter and continued subscriber adds for the first quarter, Netflix 2023 appears to be its recovery year. The company bought in 8.16 billion in revenue during Q1 and is expected to reach 8.24 billion for the current quarter. Yeah, billion, they're massive numbers. So as we all know, Netflix is worldwide and a global company. So yeah, they're huge numbers. So as Netflix turns its focus to revenue numbers for its quarterly earnings, the streamer is no longer providing guidance for subscriber numbers, I suppose, because it's hard to judge. It is hard to judge as well. So the company is forging ahead with its account sharing crackdown, which rolled out in markets like Canada, New Zealand, and Portugal and Spain earlier this year. The US will have its turn beginning in the second quarter, Netflix said in its Tuesday letter to shareholders. So the company is also continuing to focus on its advertising business and will host its first upfronts presentation on May the 17th at the Paris Theatre in New York. In the shareholder letter, Netflix noted the healthy performance and trajectory of its per member advertising economics in the US and said the streamer will continue upgrading Netflix ads experience with more streams and improved video quality to attract a broader range of consumers. That also includes the launch of a programmatic private marketplace to enable more buying options for Netflix ad inventory using Microsoft Sales Platform. That's interesting as well. So as I said, Netflix is trading now, as the live charts open, $323.35. And I'll just go into the 1 week charts, the weekly charts, and you can see what it was at its peak. So yeah, you can see at its peak that Netflix hit around the $685 mark. So that was in 2021. So it's been declining ever since. That was massive drop off there, as you can see. and then it does sideways movement, and hopefully there'll be bullish momentum in it now in the next while again. So yeah, it remains to be seen. Yeah, it's all positive as regards to subscriber numbers and the amount they've added, and like the stock price has a long way to improve, but that's, as I said, it's trading at $323.63 at the moment. These are the live charts. So yeah, that's, as I said, at its peak, it was trading at $690, and it's gone right down now in the last year or two to $323.87 at the moment. So yeah, I hope you found this video enjoyable and informative. And yeah, I like to bring the how stocks have done after their earnings, and what, as I said in the previous video, three companies that were reporting their earnings, the two bank stocks and Netflix. So the bank stocks had a mixed outcome, and Netflix, as you can see, things have improved. So I'll leave it there, and thanks for watching. Take care.